Nothing's running. Oh! This one's running. I thought none of them were running, but this one's running. So, I was right. I thought that route was going to get replaced, and I was right. Got to start it back in April. Remember back in April when that route started up? You may remember that. Well, there's now a new American standard, just like this one. 2 brand new American standards. Wow, that's crazy. This one I already filmed back in April. This one is brand new in April. This one is actually brand new. This was manufactured a month after the other one. A month after this one. 2022 Shuton. It's 14 SEER, I think. Light scroll compressor. 14 to 15 SEER. There's a fresh, nice, shiny new golden reversing valve. 2 brand new units. Unfortunately, none of these are running, so neither of these brand new 2022 American Standards are running. But that's okay. I will get a picture of both of these brand new ones. That's kind of cool. I did not know we were gonna have 2 brand new 2022. And let's get this one, the little wonderful while it's still here, just in case. Because, you know, it might get replaced soon. It's a heat pump, and I'm not sure what scroll it has. But yeah, hopefully I'll get that defrosting this winter if it doesn't get replaced. I'm gonna get a picture of it while it's still here. Alright, well, take a picture of the whole stash. 3 most are American Standards. So yeah. Alright, so thank you for watching, and over and out.